Most no-fee banking apps still make money from overdraft charges, ATM out-of-network fees, or hidden account conditions that only show up when you need your money the most. By the end, you'll know which banking apps actually stay free in everyday use, which ones are only partially free, and which ones are worth switching to depending on how you spend and get paid. First, there are the apps that stay simple with no monthly maintenance fees and strong everyday banking tools. Chime is one of the most used options because it focuses on basic checking features without monthly account fees and gives early access to direct deposits in many cases. Current is similar, but it leans more into budgeting tools and spending limits that help you avoid overdrafts before they happen. Varo Bank also sits in this group, offering a fully digital banking setup with no monthly fees and a simple mobile-first experience. Next are the banks that feel traditional, but still remove most of the common fees people try to avoid. Ally Bank is built as an online bank with strong savings and checking options, and it avoids typical maintenance fees while focusing more on long-term banking stability. Capital One, through its 360 accounts, gives you a digital banking setup with no monthly fees and wide ATM access through its network. Discover also fits here with a fee-free checking option that keeps things simple while still giving you access to a larger financial ecosystem. Finally, there are the apps that aren't traditional banks but are still used for flexible, global-style money management. Sophie combines checking and savings features in one app and avoids many standard banking fees while adding investing and credit tools in the same platform. Revolut is built more for international spending and currency flexibility, and it works best if you travel or deal with multiple currencies. So the real difference comes down to what you want. Simple everyday banking, traditional bank structure without fees, or a more flexible finance app that does more than just hold your money. If you just want to avoid fees completely, Chime, Current, and Varo are usually the simplest starting point. If you want stability with fewer surprises, Ally, Capital One, and Discover are closer to traditional banking. If you want extra financial tools beyond banking, Sophie and Revolut go further than the basics. Pick one based on how you actually use your money, not just the features on paper. Switching takes a few minutes, but choosing the wrong setup can cost you every month in avoidable fees. Like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of banking apps and money tools that actually matter in real life.